Welcome to How to 360. Today we're mastering the art of making the perfect pancakes, fluffy, golden, and delicious every time. Here's what you'll need: 1½ cups of flour, 3½ teaspoons of baking powder, a teaspoon of salt, a tablespoon of sugar, 1¼ cups of milk, 1 large egg, and 3 tablespoons of melted butter. Step 1. In a bowl, whisk together your flour, baking powder, salt, and sugar until well combined. Step 2. In another bowl, beat 1 egg with the milk and melted butter. This ensures a silky batter. Step 3. Pour the wet ingredients into the dry and gently fold together. A few lumps are fine. Overmixing leads to tough pancakes. Step 4. Preheat your pan over medium-low heat and lightly grease with butter. You want it hot enough that a drop of batter sizzles, but not so hot it burns. Step 5. Pour about 1/4 cup of batter per pancake. Cook until bubbles appear on the surface, about 2 minutes. Then flip carefully. After flipping, cook another 1 to 2 minutes until golden brown. If you're making a big batch, keep cooked pancakes warm in a low oven while you finish the rest. Serve your stack with a pat of butter, real maple syrup, and fresh berries for a classic finish. And there you have it, the perfect pancakes, light, fluffy, and utterly irresistible. Directions and ingredients are in the description below. If you enjoyed this recipe, hit like, subscribe, and ring the bell for more kitchen tutorials. See you next time! Check out our other breakfast recipes right here.